Temporary GST Registration. Start compliant with Filings Corner. Hello and welcome to Filings Corner. Planning to launch your business, sell online, or operate across state lines, but haven't completed full GST registration yet? No worries. You can still stay compliant and start legally with a temporary GST registration. At Filings Corner, we help you obtain and manage temporary registration smoothly, quickly, and without the stress. What is temporary GST registration? Temporary GST registration is a provisional registration provided by the GST Department for businesses that need to start operations before completing full GST requirements. Are non-resident taxable persons, NRTPs, doing business in India, operate e-commerce platforms without a fixed place of business, are foreign companies supplying goods or services in India, want to conduct interstate trade before receiving regular registration. It's your legal permit to start transacting under GST, even if you're not fully registered yet. Key features of temporary GST registration. Valid for 90 days, gives you enough time to operate while completing the full process. Extension available, can be extended once if needed. Mandatory GST filing. You must still file GSTR1 and GSTR3B returns. No input tax credit, ITC. You can't claim ITC until regular registration is completed, can be converted to full GST. Once eligible, easily transition to regular registration. Documents required for temporary GST registration. Here's what you'll need. PAN card and passport for NRTPs. Business proof, incorporation certificate or partnership deed. Address proof, utility bill or rental agreement. Bank account details, canceled check or statement. Photographs of the authorized signatory. Letter of authorization for official communication. Don't worry, Filings Corner will handle all the documentation for you. Why choose temporary GST registration? It's more than just paperwork. It's the right way to start your business legally. Start operations immediately. No more waiting for full GST approval. Sell on e-commerce platforms. Platforms like Amazon and Flipkart require GST comply with tax laws. Avoid penalties from unregistered transactions. Enable interstate trade. Supply products across India without restrictions. Consequences of non-compliance. Skipping compliance or missing deadlines can lead to late fees and penalties for not filing GST returns on time, cancellation of your registration if not renewed or converted, interest of 18% per annum on unpaid taxes, audits, or legal action for repeat violations. That's why partnering with Filings Corner ensures your peace of mind. How Filings Corner helps you. We make temporary GST registration and compliance simple and stress-free. Complete registration support. Timely return. Filing transition to regular GST, ongoing compliance and advisory. Start your GST journey with Filings Corner today. Call us now or visit www.filingscorner.com to apply for your temporary GST registration today. Filings Corner, GST compliance starts here.